Good morning, everyone. We're doing a job over here in Weehawken, another episode for Solid Rock, and obviously I'm Glenn Lopez. Thank you for everyone to watch all my videos. We're doing in a medical office in here for the dentist for medical dental bill. That's the company is taking care of this business, and I want to show you around. The framing is already done. We're gonna start doing the drywall, and it's ready to go. And I want you to take a look around. You're gonna like it. The framing is all done. Ya tenemos el chirroc aquí. Eso es lo más importante. Electrical work ya está terminado. Estamos los muchachos ya colocando las primeras hojas. We already got the first boards up there, and sooner they're gonna start doing insulation acá. And there's a lot of offices in here, so we look at about, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like 8 units, I believe. And that's the waiting room, and the shoe racket's already here. And just want you guys to look that we have it. Look at this view. We're right there in New York. Isn't that beautiful? Oh yeah, it's all New York. The sun is kind of hotter, pero tenemos todo el view acá. Estamos acá en el building este, en Weehawken, y espero que les guste. Gracias por verme y los veo pronto en el siguiente episodio para que vean la continuidad de nuestro trabajo. Nos vemos. Gracias por watchar.